Football lovers, sanibonani. Welcome to PK Sports with Bongi Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle niyaphila. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Danko. I'm gonna do a lineup prediction of Kaizer Chiefs versus Marumo Gallants, of which I think ukuthi the coaches will make slight changes because they avoid things like fatigue. So obviously coming to this game with every player, their heads are in a right space, everyone is ready to play. So obvious, whoever that is going to be given an opportunity will grab it with both hands. But it is important for the club to do well because we need to build the momentum. Ukuna kwethu kusibeka in another better position. We can be above the Orlando Pirates because yona idlali iyozidlale nge-weekend. So Kaizer Chiefs must take advantage of this. So in the goalpost, surely Brendan Peterson hopefully ukuthi uzoqoqa another clean sheet because ngazathi akasafuni ukulala emashidini engcolile these days, ufuna nje abemhlophe qwa. Left back I think they will try ukuthi badlalise uMarco. Marco will be used as a left back bese ke, because I think Aiden McCarthy is doing well as a left back because one thing about him is the fact that he's going to challenge for these long balls. But Marco, it becomes difficult because of his height. But now I'm changing because he's a bad player, but they are changing him because they want to do squad rotation. Hopefully it won't affect the momentum of the club. Asifuni ma injuries, asifuni fatigue, sifuna umuntu ukuthi ahlezi ready ukuthi masodlala bakwazi ukuthi babalance between i-CAF competition and i-league. Bese ku-right, left center back, I think bazodlalisa yena laphana Aiden McCarthy. They're gonna rest uMiguel. Bazodlalisa Aiden McCarthy because uMiguel ama-yellow card wakhe aloku ayakhuphuka, aloku ayanyuka. So I think they're gonna try to play it safe because they understand ukuthi if they lose him kuzoba nzima, especially when we travel ukuthi siyodlala le nezamalek, siyodlala le eEgypt. So it is important ukuthi squad rotation sethu sisenze with ukuba cautious, sazi ukuthi siya understand ukuthi what is happening. So there's nothing that can be cautioned. This is a lineup prediction, it's not an actual lineup. This is according to me. Bese ku right center back bolo baqhubekile ngaye laphana ukunika i-defender el-dribble i-strike, the cool and calm and collected defender. Ayabona i-comeback eshawa ukunika, it is very personal. I don't know ukuthi ukwatesiwe yini, ulaya bani, but lona mlayayo siyambonga because if bengasuye bengeke simbone lo kunika simbonayo. Into nje engingayifisa ukuthi if Kaizer Chiefs decide to release him, le team ezobe imsayinile yodla kamnandi, yobe iphethe i-defender laphana, indoda ekhaba. Abaningi basakhala bathi hayi akakawathuli abantu abazompressa. No, it's not about that. You must give credit where it's due for the moment, because nanoma kusofika isikhathi if bamenza njalo bamenzile njalo, but doesn't erase all the good performances, all the good deeds that he has done. So it is important ukuthi simbeke umuntu endaweni lana khona azothola ama-flowers wakhe. Guy, he's doing good, he's a fighter. So obviously ku-right center back kuzoqala yena. Even though I would love to see uGeneral Thatha Zonke uMsimango starting, but Kunika is making it difficult. He's making it difficult because even go right back, he can play there, but ama right back they are very relaxed because they know I can't roadblock lapho move. Because there was a mistake that was made by Solomon, and this SK United tried to counter attack us, but wamanzi wadangudluku kunika wadakudlulwa la lana kudlula ibhola futhi akudlula umuntu, ngithatha konke clean futhi clean. Then ku right back there's one thing I've noticed with the Kaizer Chiefs. When they are playing with a team that poses a threat, especially in the wide areas. They prefer to use uMonyane ukuthi azodefenda because they know ukuthi uSolomons enjoys overlapping and underlapping, because at some point Solomons can invert angene phakathi at the number lapha in the middle bese sala nga 3 at the back, bese ke in the middle say overloader bese kuba nalama forward players abaphambili. So with a team like Marumo Gallants, surely bazoqalisa uMonyane, uSolomons uzongena second half because they know ukuthi abo Clifford lapha bawuklenya mawuza ngazathi ubazela ngobuso, abondlondlo abomabaso mawuza ngobuso nje hayi bazokwenzela istory. So I believe ukuthi bazoqalisa uThabiso Monyane ku right back, bese in the middle of the park CDM number 6 is going to be Olebohang Maboe, because obviously ushukuthi he's being trusted with that position. Ngiyabona nama tackles awenzayo ayi zipsapha lapha isabalele zivele ziyiphumele, and he's clean kuma tackles. Into manje ngisambonga ukuthi nokumbhayizisa i1 positional awareness, because there was a moment masidlala neZisco United khona lana athuthi uyomarka wavele wama ngapha uNdlo uvu wama ngala ibhola balikhipha phansi kwabo. So that's the thing esazomkhahlela, because yena he plays with the timing and the understanding of the game. Le ukuthi uzofuna abe hard tackler ukuthi akunela amabhola every time akusinto yakhe, but it's him reading the game and marking the space. That what makes him ukuthi enjoy their position, because akayenzi izinto eziningi enzima. It's all about him asebenzisa ingqondo yakhe in order ukuthi akwazi ukuthi azenzele umsebenzi ubelula, especially with the help of uNdlovu, because uNdlovu he's a box to box, uya attacker uyakwazi ukudefenda. So that's what makes him to be preferred, especially kuma games that need a lot of endurance and stamina, compared ukuthi bangathatha a combination kaMaboe and uNkosini Phile, but they prefer uGatsheni. So that's why even in this game I don't think ukuthi it will be necessary ukuthi sibafake boyi-2. I think if bangazama uNkosini Phile naye to get a run, I think you can also do something good, because if you have ama-players ayi-2 that are technical gifted, kusho ukuthi creativity iyozenzakalela in that middle of the park. Bese ku-attacking midfielder I think bazophinde bambuyisela uVilla, because uVilla akadlali ngisho nama full match. So it's all about that. These coaches are preserving the energy of these players. Nomaboy na akayidlali imesh yonke, so kusho ukuthi into abayenza ukuthi banga drain these players in terms of energy and stamina. So uVilla bazombuyisa as a number 10. Hopefully ukuthi this time sizodlala kamnandi, because ipitch le eZambia Mnwanise Stadium, it wasn't good to play to, because we couldn't play indlela esijwayele ukudlala ngayo. But good this time I think le Bloemfontein soba ne game emnandi, sokwazi ukulithunga silinoke. So that's what I think ukuthi the combination of uNgcobo and uMaboe can be fruitful for iKaizer Chiefs, especially for chances creation. Bese ke ema-sidini kuma wingers bazoqala, I believe ukuthi is going to be Arsenal Levelopai. They're gonna rest uPulemude noma bangam introduce a second half. Think they're gonna use Arsenal Levelopai if bazoqala ngoPaseka Makho, because they know ukuthi akunamsebenzi omningi omele wenziwe ukuthi kube newinger elimele track back elincedise left back ukumark. Bazoqala ngoVelepai because bazonida that energy, that speed, and also is skill to eliminate ama fullbacks, so that strikers kwazi ukudla lapha inside the 18 area. Bese ku striking force they're gonna start uKhanyisa Mayo in this game. Angeke baqale Flavio Silva will introduce second half, because I think nabo sebe realize ukuthi no, as a sub he's a good player, because ungena lapho seka really game and akasadingi ukuthi enze umsebenzi omningi, ukuthi aloka drop deeper collector, but he stays inside the box waiting for those balls ukuthi afike to capitalize. It's either on foot or in the head. Bese ke ngale ku right winger bawukhuphuka ngaye ke uBartman will be used as a wing because since afikile eNaturena i2 ama positions awadlalile and he plays 3. Udlalile as a right winger, wadlala as a left winger, waphinde futhi sekushoda nje ukuthi adlale as a striker, kube huye istriker abasithembile because even attacking midfielder bangamnika yona if ever they see ukuthi angakwazi kuyibamba le yandishi, ukuthi akwazi ukusinika that creativity spark that is needed. So that's the starting 11. Bese ke kuma subs is going to be Touch Mabaso, Dylan Solomons, Aiden McCarthy, and no, not Aiden McCarthy, Inacio Miguel, kube uGatsheni uSiphelisihle Ndlovu, kube uFlavio Silva, uLilepo, and uPulemodi. I believe those are going to be the subs. I hope ukuthi nisese right ikhosi aliphele moya. Danko.